Switching between manual and auto mode gives you full control over your gas valve, how open and close your linear proportional valve is on a 0 to 100% basis. Switching between manual and auto will give you the ability to adjust and change these settings on the fly. Now to do this, you're going to come over to the set button. You're going to hold this button for about 5 seconds. There you go. You're going to see the letter J come up. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and cycle the back button. You're going to hit this button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This takes you to the control screen. Now this is your control for your gas valve. Right now, as you can see, we're in PID mode. This is also known as auto mode. Now if you hit the down arrow, in this case up arrow, not on off, one more time, take you to MANU. Okay, this is short for manual. From here you click set. Now this gives you the ability to control your gas valve via software or on your Delta controller here. To access these settings, you press set one more time, take you to your home screen. From here, to access your gas valve, hit the back button 5 times. This takes you to the out 1 screen. This out 1 reading is your current gas valve percentage on how open and closed the valve is. Right now, as you can see, we're 0.0, meaning the valve is completely shut. If you hold the up arrow, or if you're hooked up to software and use the gas slider value bar on either your right or left, depending on what software you're running, you'll be able to manually control how open and closed your valve is. Okay, so right now we're just going to take it all the way up to 100%. On the controller, you click set one more time. This takes you to your home screen, and now your valve is set to 100% open, and you are in manual mode for all software and things of that nature.